Just about to leave camp. Stayed here at through an app called Hip Camp, which I wasn't aware of before. Done one of the videos, someone mentioned it, but it's a nice place. You basically, I think it's like Airbnb for people that own farms for people to camp. I am in Morrisville at the Black Cap Coffee Company or something. A little bit off the route, but not much. Just having a tart and trying to get organized for my road. I think I'm still in Morrisville, but of course I'm on another hill road, Trumbull Hill Road. Everything has a hill name to it. So I'm 3.2 miles from Craftsbury Road. Just pedaling. Awesome scenery, all farmland. It looks like there's some wild camping possibilities off of Buffalo Mountain Road, which I believe comes Woodbury, and that's the one I've seen on a couple of the videos that say to skip it because it's just so muddy and a lot of hike-a-bike. So, building. We have all these blue, purple, look like bungee cords, but they're water lines or something. Oh, maybe it's maple syrup. I don't know. Looks like they wrap in the trees with them. Some of them have been there for a while because they're cutting into the bark. The support cables anyway. Out there. I feel comfortable maybe pitching a tent there. I don't see any no trespassing signs. And I just passed the Marquette Road. Just turned on to Vermont 14, busy road, a little bit of a shoulder. Okay, I just crossed, I think, Creek Road, and I just started pushing right about 50 feet ago. I know you can't tell, but it's pretty darn steep. It's actually harder to push the bike. I may try and ride it again. So I thought I was going to ride through Craftsbury. I guess I did, or I went around it, but there was no center of town, if there is one, that I went through. The only stop I have ahead of me is Greensboro for climbing. Check the map. Hope I'm on the right road. Wow. Whew, what a downhill. They call this a road? Wow, chunky. Can't see anything because of the leaves. Got a built-in horn. This is the Mitchell McLaren Cemetery. And I am heading that way. Moo! What's up, cow? So here I am at the farm Hampstead, I think it's called. I'm not exactly sure. Brewery. I stumbled upon. Just finishing up a beer. Had pizza from yesterday. I don't know. I think I only have like cheese and crackers if you want anything to eat. And I think I'm only about 13 miles from Hardwick to my destination tonight. I ended up booking a bed and breakfast just because I've been seeing so many no trespassing signs that I was concerned I wouldn't find a place to camp. Just leaving the brewery. It's kind of an oasis actually because there's nothing out here. Like I said, I went through Craftberry and there wasn't anything there, and I'm getting ready to go through Greenboro and I don't think there's much there anyway. Looks like we have a downhill. Greensboro. I think downtown's more that way. I'm gonna go this way, which is Breezy Avenue, I guess. And it looks like there is some kind of general store there. I think I want to be there like at 5 o'clock again. Another early day. Beautiful scenery. Uh-oh, looks like a hill. Wow, look at that climb. Just like I pictured it. So I was gonna maybe wild camp, but I was getting nervous about whether I'd be able to make the day or not, and I ended up getting this bed and breakfast at Kimball House. She said the middle bedroom has the best view. Very nice. I'm gonna go out and try and find out part of my route for tomorrow if I want to do that Woodbury. And also see what if I could have wild camped. Good thing about getting here early is though I can go get something to eat and not be rushed and know that my stuff is safe, so worked out well. I've come up Buffalo Mountain Road, not very far, maybe 1/10 of a mile. But there was a sign that said trail closed. So I'm thinking it's pretty bad, but I'm gonna go head up a little bit further. Looks like a residence there. But man, this is a brutal climb. I don't know if I'd want to do this anyway. Incredible amount of climbing on this. I haven't been on this kind of surface either, where it's rocks or pebbles. Oh yeah, this is pretty much unrideable this direction. There's a sign here. Let's see what it says. Construction area boundary. Hiking and native study welcome. Hunting allowed by permission only. Motorized vehicles. Bicycles and horses are prohibited. And again, I haven't seen any no trespassing, but I could have camped here, although it's very rocky. This is ridiculous, especially with a loaded bike. I mean, I got everything off my bike for the most part, and I can't even ride it. I've come across several of these puddles, and I could see them being a problem if it rains a lot. This is pretty much just a hike-a-bike section, and this is the part that people say to just skip.